When they ask for one line of symmetry, what they want is, just like the name says, it is a line. But it's a line that if I were to fold the shape or cut the shape, that I would get two completely equal parts. So it can't just be that they're kind of the same. They have to be exactly the same. Like if they looked into a mirror, they have to be congruent, the same size and the same shape.
Got it?
Got
So
it.
thinking of it as the same is not bad, but it can't just be kind of the same, it has to be exactly the same. So they're saying that they want a shape that only has one place. That if I fold it or if I cut it, that it's going to be the same. Let's look at our shapes and see which one has only one place where it would be the same. Figure F. Like I said, when I check lines of symmetry, I usually start with vertical lines, then I look for horizontal lines, and then I look for any diagonal line. Well, I can't make a vertical line because if I do, I've got one part that would be tall and one part that would be long. So those wouldn't match. They wouldn't be equal. If I do horizontal, kind of get the same thing. I've got this part that sticks out to the side, but I don't have another one on top. Okay. Now, if I go diagonal, I might go, oh, look, right here. But look at these two sides. They're similar, but they're not the same. This side, the bottom side, is not as thick as the top side. So if I tried to make a line this way, fold it over, this side would not match the other side. Too thin. So answer choice F does not have any lines of symmetry. 0 lines. Yes, Alexa.
Can we put what symmetry means
Sure.
besides symmetry? Because I accidentally forget what it means.
So, symmetry, we can say when you can fold a shape and have two equal parts. And equals the important part there. They can't be kind of sort of the same. They can't be really close. Has to be equal. Brianna, make sure we're focused. Make sure we're writing this down on our papers. The whole point of this is to help us out on the test. Let's check the next answer choice. Answer choice H. Again, when I check symmetry, I always start with the vertical line, try a horizontal line, and then diagonals. Answer choice H looks like maybe if I put a vertical line, I'd have a line of symmetry. But if I look really closely, look at the points on the bottom of answer choice H. We've got one point that's shorter, one point that's longer. If I were to draw a line across, I can see that when I would fold that shape, those 2 points wouldn't match up. If they don't match up, And that means that's not a line of symmetry. I can't do it horizontally either because the top doesn't have any points. So this shape also has 0 lines of symmetry. Look at answer choice G. I could try vertical. And that looks pretty good. If you're ever unsure, you think, I don't know if that's really a line of symmetry. Remember, take your fingers, put them on either side of the line, and just start tracing with your fingers. If you see that your fingers are doing the same thing, they're taking that same path, then you know that you have a good line of symmetry. If I try putting one horizontally, I would see that that's not a good line of symmetry. My fingers have to do different things. So for answer choice G, I have one good line of symmetry, the vertical line, but the horizontal line doesn't work. Let's look at answer choice J. A vertical line would work. I have these 2 extra pieces on the side, and if I folded them there, they would match up pretty well. If I drew a line horizontally, that would also work, because this bottom part, top part are the same. Again, I could use my fingers, trace that. Now I couldn't do I couldn't do diagonal here. If I tried using a diagonal line, it wouldn't really work. I can't use those. They wanted a figure with exactly 1 line of symmetry. Not more, not less. Answer choice F had 0. Answer choice H had 0. Answer choice J had 2. There's only one answer choice that only had 1 line of symmetry. That was answer choice G. So my answer should be answer choice